fans just like you do out there. We do want to say goodbye, and I started in 1985 with the network. I was on the second show ever. I did an indoor soccer game with Joel Myers. We did the LA Lasers, and the Lakers preseason game, I think it was against the Celtics back in '85, was the first show ever on Prime Ticket. So for 27 years on this network, the Lakers have been a staple and the #1 attraction.
Well, the Lakers are the #1 attraction. There's no question about it.
Their town.
This network has been a part of that as well. You know, the quality of the work that the crew does. You know, we sit out in front, but all of the work is done by the people behind the scenes. So I'd like to say thank you to all of those people, and of course to the fans for tuning in.
Yeah, that's the #1 thing, your commitment, great pride in putting on these telecasts. Of course, we want to thank also the other 3 play-by-play broadcasters, Paul Sunderland, Joel Myers, great work, and of course the one and only Chick Hearn, who you got.
Well, yeah, I mean, nothing happens without Chicky Baby, because
it's his chair forever.
His chair forever. His team forever, for that matter. And he's the reason why I'm here today. And I just can't say enough about Chick. And so for me to be able to work 15 years on Fox with Chick, that was those are memories that obviously will live forever.
Yeah, I've had a wonderful first year working along Stu. It's been a great experience and a thrill of a lifetime for a lifelong Laker fan. But I worked 27 years for Fox. Some wonderful people, as mentioned. But again, this is a thank you to you, the fans, for your loyalty and your commitment. 27 years watching our network and watching the Lakers. Now let's take a look back at some memorable moments. So long, everybody.
If there's one thing that we've tried to do, it's bring you a conscientious, bird's-eye view of what happens on the court. From the world's most beautiful sports theater, the Fabulous Forum, where tonight the Cleveland Cavaliers tango with the world champion Lakers. Magic right side to Worthy, slam dunk. The Los Angeles Lakers turning it on with Worthy. Vlade, nice rebound. Oh, Magic, a head and shoulder fake, goes under and scores with a standing ovation. Listen to the crowd. Rebound went for it like a carp going after a worm.
This is for LA. The Staples said, what a way to start a millennium.
Another capacity crowd, 17,505.
The refrigerator, the door is closed, the lights are out, the eggs are cooling, the butter is getting hard, and the jello's jiggling.
Kobe spins.